In the course of routing your records through a routing graph, all of your records will get picked up and processed as they meet your entry conditions. But what if sometimes you get spikes in the volume of records that enter your CRM, and certain records that you would deem to be more urgent or a higher priority will get mixed in with records that are a lower priority, causing potential delays on the records that you would want to get actioned right away? Well, there is a very simple way that you can customize the order in which LeanData processes your records. And the way that you would set those customizations is through your entry edges. Now, as you can see here in this graph, currently all new lead records are coming through this entry node and this entry edge. And there's no distinction between any of these new records when they're created. But what if we wanted to prioritize certain lead sources, such as demo requests or phone inquiries? We want those to get routed right away so that reps can follow up with them while that interest is still fresh. So let's go ahead and open up the new lead trigger node. And instead of all leads, we'll want to toggle include the leads below. And we'll simply set the conditions to what we want to differentiate on. So I'll click edit condition, and I'm going to go to the lead source field. And then I'm going to specifically select a phone inquiry and demo request. These are the sources that we want to prioritize above the other sources. Now, all we would need to do is set the priority higher for these than everything else. So everything starts out at a priority 5 medium. So as long as we indicate a higher priority than that, we can ensure the phone inquiries and demo requests will get processed before anything else. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to put it at 1 high, and anything that is higher than 5 medium would also do the same. So let's label this edge as a phone inquiry and demo request. All right, we're not done yet. As currently constructed, this entry node would only process new leads if they are demo requests or phone inquiries. So what we would need to do is add another rule here. And this new edge would simply capture everything else. So let's go ahead and do lead source again. And then we're going to do not equal to, and then we'll select phone inquiry and demo request. And then we'll label this other. And then we'll hit done. And now we will drag both of these entry edges to the same destination, so we're not changing the logic or the path that they would follow through the graph. They both will enter through the same place, and they follow the same path, but now we've differentiated which lead sources would be processed at a higher priority and which ones be processed at a lower priority. This would ensure whenever you have those spikes in volume that the records that need to be actioned more quickly will get pushed to the front of the batch and get processed first whenever there's a backlog to work through. Well, I hope that helps.